What's up, guys? We back with another one. We have an extended cab. We're gonna be doing double sunroofs, the weld-on ones, black suede. I've done previous work to this, molded wing, ZL1 HD hood, and a Titan window. Now he's back for some double sunroofs. Back again. We got some double sunroofs installed, weld-on kits. We'll start with the usual, taking the whole headliner apart, going from there. Alright guys, I got the sunroofs over here. Let's get it. Alright guys, we got both of the brackets in, welded, and the first layer of fiberglass. Sand that down, and then we'll start with some kitty hair over it for extra strength. Check it out. Looks good. And then I am gonna add 2 bracings from here to the sunroofs, just to give it a little bit more support here, since we did take out everything on the center. A couple bracings with some flat bar on both sides, 4 of them. Should be more than enough. Looks good. Alright, I'm gonna let the bodywork cure, and then I'll go ahead and start sanding and then start putting the kitty hair on. And then the final step is very little bondo is what I put on. Alright guys, bodywork's done. Time to install the roofs, and then bolt them in, get them wired up so I can open them, install the drip lines, and then like I said, sun's already going down. Tomorrow morning I'll pick up on it. Sunday morning, install the drip lines, do the headliner, black suede, wrap it around the sunroofs, and we should be ready to roll. Alright guys, and sunroofs have been installed, wired up. Check it out. Looks good. We're gonna start on the headliner now. Drains have been installed, all the drains. And then now we have the headliner. We're gonna start to cut it to form around the sunroof. And then we'll get it with some black suede. And then we should almost be done. Put it in, install it, wrap it around both the bracing of the headliner, the trims, and then we'll start cleaning her up, getting ready for the delivery. Alright guys, we got the headliner done, all wrapped, ready to go. Center's cut out, so install it on the truck. Alright guys, moment of truth, she's all done. Check it out.